Hey guys, today we're gonna talk about the signs when a guy is emotionally attracted to you. If you're new to my channel, check out the description box. Usually I leave there links to some of my other related videos, and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. And without further ado, let's start. First sign is you talk on the phone for hours. A guy who sees you only as a friend or who wants the relationship to be casual won't call to chat on the phone for hours. But if he wants to spend that much time talking to you, just to hear your voice and interact with you, there are some feelings out there. This means that he's already emotionally attracted to you. Next sign, regular communication. When a guy regularly makes time for you, he calls and texts you, and sometimes he does that for no other reason than that he's thinking about you. Also, it's a sign when you have long late night conversations. If you are on the phone talking about things long beyond setting up plans for your next meetup, it's a good sign. Third one, he confides in you. Whether the guy has childhood abandonment issues or feeling left or rejected, or whether he was hurt in a past relationship, guys tend to guard their feelings. And if a guy you're talking to feels close enough to you to drop his guard, he's not only emotionally attracted to you, but he's more likely trusts you and has feelings for you. He's comfortable being vulnerable with you, and it's important to be able to express yourself that way in a relationship. Feeling safe, accepted, and understood is the root of attachment and intimacy. And every time you're sharing or listening to personal stories, when you and your boyfriend open up to each other, your emotional connection and attraction grow. Another sign is when he gets you. If you feel like you are heard by your boyfriend, you are able to communicate easily, he understands you, and things flow effortlessly, it's a sure sign that the connection is deep and things are getting serious. You are on another level. He takes care of you. When a man is interested in you emotionally, he will go out of his way to take care of you. He makes sure you are alright, he protects you, he makes sure your physical and emotional needs are being met. He wants you to be safe and happy because he values you a lot, and he doesn't want anything to take away that from him. He can't stop thinking about you, and he will do whatever it takes to make you feel happy, safe, and loved. He is not just talking, he acts on his words. He knows what he says, and he proves it with his actions. Another sign is he wants you to meet his friends and family. With emotional attachment, he welcomes you into his personal space. He wants you to meet his close friends, his family, and he wants to meet yours as well. He contacts you often, and he does it because you're constantly on his mind, and he wants nothing more than to hear your voice or receive text back from you. He's emotionally invested in you, so he'll make time for you. Another one is he goes above and beyond for you. When a man is emotionally attached to you, he's going crazy about you, and he'll do practically anything to see you or to make you happy. He'll drive for hours just to see you, he'll give you presents, he'll help you whenever you are in trouble. He is open to and initiates romantic moments or gestures, and he's happy to please you and do something for you because he wants to show you how he can be supportive, strong, and you can always rely on him. Another sign is he is happy to hang out with you. A man who is only interested in casual type of relationship and who's not emotionally involved won't have much patience for unrelated activities like talking and spending more time together, when on the contrary, a man who is emotionally attracted to you will be always down to spend time together. And the last but not least, he asks you for advice. Mostly men see asking for advice as a weakness. And so if he's asking you, not only does it mean that he trusts you, but it also means that he's wondering what your point of view, and he respects your opinion. He cares what you think, and your opinion is important to him. Okay guys, this is the end of the video. Obviously this is not all the signs, it's just some of them. Let me know your thoughts down below. Hope this video was helpful. Go check out my other videos, like and subscribe. Okay, bye.